In this video, I'm going to explain why your TikTok videos might be getting 0 views. Let's go through a few possible reasons behind this. Sometimes, videos go under review and don't show views right away. If your video is being reviewed besabab content issues, it won't be visible until that review process is finished. But if your video is not under review, then follow this method. When you upload a video, you'll see an option like "Who can view this post?" Make sure it's set to Everyone. If it's accidentally set to Only Me, then only you will be able to see the video, which means you won't get any views. So, set it to Public and then post it. If your video still shows 0 views, tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy, then tap on Privacy and check that your private account option is turned off. If your account is private and you haven't approved followers, then no one can view your TikTok videos. That's why it's important to keep it turned off. Also, you can share your TikTok videos with friends on other social media platforms like WhatsApp, Messenger, or Facebook. This can help you start getting some views. So, these are the 3 main things you should check if your TikTok videos aren't getting views. If you still have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.